Hi all, welcome to Low Code FX. I'm gonna show you how to add progress bar in Canvas app using SVG. We will consider 5 different stages. Just define it using buttons, 5 different buttons. So this will be my stage 1. Okay, and let's set one variable. Set var progress comma 1. Yes. So for each stage I will pass one number. Let me just copy here. This is stage 2 and I will pass 2 in this variable. Yes, so we have got these 5 stages, and here on top I will display a progress bar. Let me explain the use case for this. Collection of the enquiries consists of 5 different forms. Within each screen we define one form. Similarly, we have stage 2, stage 3 and all. Once they submit form 1, then that means stage 1 is completed. I'm defining those screens here using the buttons. So let me add one image here. Yeah, and we will ask AI tool to design SVG for us to display a good progress bar. Now I'm in ChatGPT. Let me add a prompt here. Give me 5 stage progress bar SVG for Canvas app. Okay, plus add label to each stage as stage 1, stage 2 and so on. Plus use var progress variable to define each stage. Plus completed stages should be in green, current stage in orange and pending ones in red. Add circular animation to the current stage. Okay, where progress values would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Enter. So here we have got SVG for progress bar. Let me copy it and jump to Canvas app, and I'll pass it in the image property. Let's test it out. Stage 1, stage 2, stage 3, stage 4, stage 5. Let me stretch it a bit. Yeah, we have got that animation as well. If we have separate screens or containers for each stage, then we can simply use this variable while jumping from one stage to another, and we can easily display progress bar within all the screens and for all the stages. Okay, I will provide this SVG in the description below. Do check it out, and thanks for watching. Do share and subscribe for more videos.